Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over how to restore a deleted item. What you're going to want to do is go into the admin portal, which is hrpos.heartland.us. You're going to click on the menu at the top left. You're going to go to Account Menu, and then Items. Once you're in Items, there's an option up here at the right that says Show Deleted Items. You would go here, and as long as the item has really been deleted before, it should be in here. So like, let's say we want to restore Pepsi. We'll just click on Pepsi, and there's an option down here at the bottom to restore. Once I click that, it asks me to confirm, are you sure you want to restore this item? Yes. Now it's restored. The normal options are down here at the bottom again. And then if you just want to get out of the deleted items, you just click on Hide Deleted Items, and it will show all your current active items. And then don't forget to publish changes, enable for the workstation to get the info. But I hope this video helped. That's all I got for this one. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.